Most people were taught a simple formula: work harder, earn more, live better. And for a long time, that formula seemed to work. But today, more people than ever are working harder than they ever have and still feeling stuck, stressed, and unsure about the future. That's not because people are lazy, it's because the formula is broken. Here's what no one explains clearly. When income goes up, expenses usually follow. A bigger house, a better car, a higher lifestyle, more obligations. So even though you're earning more, you're not actually more free. You're just carrying more weight. That's why so many high earners still feel trapped. The income is higher, but it's also the only thing holding everything together. Miss a paycheck, slow down for a few months, or hit an unexpected expense, and the pressure comes rushing back. That's not freedom, that's fragility. The problem isn't effort. Effort matters, hard work matters, but effort without structure doesn't create security, it creates exhaustion. If your lifestyle is funded entirely by your labor, you never get to step back. You never get breathing room. You never get leverage. You are constantly trading time for money and hoping nothing goes wrong. That's why work more eventually stops working. Real freedom doesn't come from working harder. It comes from structure, specifically from assets. Assets change the equation. When an asset pays a bill, your income gets lighter. When multiple assets pay multiple bills, pressure starts to disappear. Not all at once, not overnight, but steadily. At Shift Rich, we look at this like this. Income builds assets. Assets cover liabilities. When that starts happening, pressure goes down before income ever goes up. Income is not the destination. Income is a tool. You use it to build assets. Those assets reduce liabilities. And over time, work becomes optional instead of mandatory. This isn't about quitting your job tomorrow. It's not about risky moves or overnight success. It's about changing the direction of effort. Instead of using income to support your lifestyle, first, you use income to build assets first. Even one small asset paying one bill can completely change how money feels. Less stress, more confidence, more control. That's how momentum actually starts. Most people don't fail, they don't want freedom. They fail because they get stuck in excuses. I don't have enough money. I need to learn more first. Those excuses sound logical, but they quietly keep people on the sidelines. That's why execution matters more than information. If this old formula has been exhausting for you, it's not a personal failure. It's a structural problem. And structure can be changed. Structure beats hustle. Assets beat exhaustion. And once you understand that, you'll stop chasing more work and start building real leverage. If you want the free guide that helps you take first step, comment believe. I'll send it over to you. Start with structure, not pressure.